welcome back to my IGTV series on our Saturday skincare as you guys voted. This is your first time on my IGTV, welcome. My name is Kate. I am a beauty content creator here at KATES Glamour and I believe in self-love. So I create content that help inspire and support you to embrace your uniqueness as well as boost your self-confidence. Anyway, today we'll be talking about skincare, of course, but I will be showing you that one mask that I bought that is so expensive in my opinion, but I wanted to test and see if it's worth it or not. So if you're a face mask lover and you also excited to watch this, make sure to drop this emoji, this one, in the comment. And let's get started. Okay you guys, so first I'm going to prep my skin using this facial treatment lotion from SKII. And another step that I normally do before applying the mask is using the essence. So this one is our facial treatment essence. Guys, this is the mask step. So all you have to do is just apply your mask on for 10 to 15 minutes, but I normally go up to 25. Alright guys, so I leave it on for 25 minutes and I took it off. I really like that it's not super sticky, so you can definitely wear it before you do your makeup. So this is what I do. I mask in the morning before I go in and do my makeup so that your makeup actually lasts longer and look even more flawless and radiant on your skin. Next, I'm going to massage all the remaining essence into my skin using this face roller, and I normally put this face lower in the fridge like when I was masking, so that like now that I'm massaging it's super relaxing because it's so cold. This mask is perfect if you are looking for more hydration, if you are looking to brighten your skin and improve your skin texture. Definitely check it out because I used to break out so much, so that's why I'm trying to brightening my acne scar and also improve my skin texture that I got from acne breakout. I also don't drink a lot of water, so I need more hydration. So if you are just like me, this is definitely a great product for you. They also sell in a set, so when I bought it in a set because I want just to try, and this is like a really good tryout set. This bottle lasts me like so many months already because I only use like 3 drops, but they do have the set at Sephora, and I think Sephora is doing their spring sale right now, so definitely check it out. I'll put the link down in the captions, but I will also link them in my Insta story so you can just swipe up. So that is pretty much it you guys for my mask routine. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys find this helpful, feel free to drop this emoji in the comments or share them with your friend by tagging them below, and I'll see you guys on next Saturday skincare.